Today I am starting a recorded tutorial about UI vision, and I will cover it from beginner to advanced. So just move. First of all, you will write here UI vision and click here. After you will see it's a UI vision extension which is used to automate your browser, even your computer. You can also see its documentation on its website. You can see here it's a website of UI vision. So you can go here. You can read here about UI vision. There is lot of command you can read here, and you can also read here its purpose. Here is its main feature. You can see here it's a Selenium, which is used mostly with the Python. It's also allowed to use in Java, C++, but it's very complicated in a Selenium. Actually, it's also available in a Selenium extension. And here is a picture of UI vision. Why you should use it? You can see here all Selenium commands are implemented in Selenium. Yes, in UI vision also available in open source. Both are open source. And command line to schedule run on grid plugin, Selenium ID runner, and command line interface. And screenshot, it's also allowed to screenshot, and it's also allowed take a full page screenshot. Selenium do not allow, but UI vision also allow. Automate file download. Selenium do not allow, but UI vision allow to automate download file. Script export to Java, it's not allowed. And if I will recommend it you to use a UI vision due to its very powerful feature of visual UI testing. It's very useful feature. Sometimes you want to click on text in an image, so it will allow to use it in a UI vision, but Selenium do not allow. Canva element testing, it's not allowed, but in a UI vision it's allowed. It was only introduction video, and in the next video we will start a tutorial about UI vision. And here you can see UI vision, its interface. You can see here it's a sidebar for it, and these are demo macro, and each file mean its automation. you will click here to record macro such as click at and click X. And when you will click here on play macro, it will repeat the same step. You can see here. Okay. This was introduction video, and we will start it in the next video.